Okay, this is Peter Phelps. Phelps 3D. I am still working on the Cobblebot Little Monster. So this time we're just going to assemble the two shortest pieces of 20 by 20 aluminum extrusion. This is to make it pretty, I guess. But they go there and there. I did the where I just shoved the T-nuts and the nuts on, so should be able to just basically slide two of these into each end. And then move them so they almost touch each other. These two bottom ones go right up against each other. And actually, I wish that we did this back when we were working on that. It would have squared it up. I mean, I don't understand why you couldn't just assemble, but maybe it's because of the issues with the 20 by 80 back there. They didn't know what angle it would end up being. But this could have been at least stuck on back then. Because right now it's so fixed, I'm not sure. And it's going to be probably really tight. Tends to line up. Go into the slot. There we go. Oops. Now we can square it off and tighten those up. That's going to be really tight. It might be easier to pick up and tighten those down. And we'll do the same thing on this one. And I might have to adjust where this plate is now because it's possible that I could hit. I get one and the other one comes out. This part is probably just looks and stability, I think. It's really the steel rod there is the steel bar for the x-axis. There's not a lot of space in there. I don't know how we got to tighten those down there. That's gonna be a pain. Come on. There. Well, I think you understand the point. You just tighten those down, but getting in there is going to be fun. If I use this, I can get into tighter spaces, but it's going to take a while. So tighten these down, move that back out, and we'll move on to the next step.